How to erase text from a picture on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Photos application. Google Photos is used for automatically backing up photos and videos to the cloud, enabling users to store and access them across devices. You can view all your photos and videos over here. Open any photo from here. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Edit. From the edit options below, swipe left and tap on Tools. Here, tap on Magic Eraser. Use 2 fingers to move the photo and then mark the areas you want to erase. After erasing, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Save below. Tap on Save again. Following these steps, you can easily erase text from a picture on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.